Bah! Oh my god. Hello everybody. Oh, this is so lagging. Okay. Um, this is a quick, tiny, teeny, teeny weeny, tiny teeny weeny, lucky thingy. Yeah, seriously. I don't know if you can hear me good, because it's like I'm probably gonna get killed by my roommate because I'm making a vlog and 1:34 a.m. So probably this won't be edited at all because okay, I didn't upload a video for 2 months or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's been a long time. But I didn't upload video not because I'm lazy. Although you probably think I am lazy when you see this, but um, something's wrong with my computer. Every time I try to edit it, it just like says I'm not working, I'm not working. So yeah, it basically crashes. So I can't edit. I will try to edit now, but I don't know what. Maybe you see something in color, or maybe not. So yeah, I'm not lazy. Well, the first 2 weeks I was lazy, the 2 months, but now I'm just like I just need to fix my computer because it's not working properly as it should work. Oh, and I have a new friend, and I like to meet him. His name is Isaac, and he's my best friend. Am I hipster for buying a small Marlboro, or I don't know how you might call it, this thingy? I don't know. I just saw it and I liked it and I wanted it. So yeah. Um. Yeah. Oh, I'm not admitting it. Okay. Uh, Isaac, say goodbye. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna hold my microphone. I'm sorry if the sound quality is really bad and everything is really bad. I just need to fix some stuff. What kind of art do you enjoy? What kind of style of art do you enjoy? Is it painting, sculpture? What kind of paintings and stuff like that? Yeah.